Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can install Firefox browser on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to install Firefox browser on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, I want you to search for Mozilla Firefox Desktop. And after searching, you will then be able to see this website, which is where you can download the Firefox browser, so just go and click it. And after that, you will now be on the website. So to download the Firefox browser on this website, first, I want you to select the device you are using right here. In my case, I am using a Windows desktop, so this is what I will select. And after selecting your device, you can now click the download button to start downloading the browser. And after clicking it, your Firefox will now be downloaded, so you can now click the file to start installing the app. And then your Firefox will now start installing. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, it's done. Congratulations, you will now have your Firefox browser. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.